Namaste. Hello, myself Dr. Samiksha Rajuri, physiotherapist. Today I'll be talking upon a common problem which concerns many of us, that is neck pain. So, to begin with, let me enlist a few causes of neck pain. The first and foremost important one is improper posture, followed by improper sleeping habits, lifestyle, and lifestyle inclusive of lack of exercising, the activities that you carry on in a on a daily basis. So what I am going to do is, keeping the problems aside, I'll be focusing on the solution. So today and followed by a few couple of days, I'll be helping you out with by providing easy and simple yet very effective and beneficial exercises which are very less time consuming and yet very productive. To begin with the exercises, let me brief you about our neck. Neck is supported and protected by various group of muscles on every side. So stretching those muscles and strengthening those muscles are equally important. We use the muscles on a regular and frequent basis, but we are unaware about it. We express through our emotions through by using these muscles, yet we don't exercise them. So we tend to have trigger points, or you can call them as bands or knots in the muscles, and because of which the fibers get entangled and causes pain. So by stretching, we can at least remove those bands to a limited extent. Stretching plays a very important role over here. So let us begin with the exercises, that is stretching exercises. First, we'll keep our left hand on our ear and the right hand goes under our buttocks or the thigh region. Sit straight upright and just simply pull the neck, that is flex the neck towards one side. Okay, and you have to look up towards the ceiling and hold. Well, you have to count till 10 seconds and repeat this for 5 repetitions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and relax. Get back to your original position. Again repeat this for 5 times, like 4 more times, and similarly for the opposite side. Followed by the second stretch, that is for the anterior group of muscles, that is platysma. What we'll do is, for the beginners, if you feel a good stretch only by looking up towards the ceiling, feel the stretch and count till 10 and look down back to neutral position. If you don't feel quite a good stretch, what you can add is do this, okay, and look up. आज के लिए लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, हमें क्या करना है, हम दिन भर फ़ोन यूज़ करते हैं जिस वजह से बहुत प्रेशर क्रिएट होता है हमारे स्पाइन पे. तो नीचे देखने की वजह से जो प्रेशर क्रिएट हो रहा है वो सिर्फ यहीं तक नहीं सीमित होता है, बट अपने पूरे स्पाइन पे वो उसका इफ़ेक्ट जाता है. और स्पाइन पे एक बार वो आ गया तो उससे अपने दूसरे जॉइंट्स पे भी आ जाता है जो लोअर बॉडी के हैं. तो हमें इसको अवॉइड करना है. एक तो ये टिप है आज के लिए कि हमें नीचे देखना अवॉइड करना है, जितना पॉसिबल होगा उतना. हम एक चीज़ कर सकते हैं कि फ़ोन को नीचे रखने के बजाय हम फ़ोन ऊपर रख के हम ऐसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. अगर आप चेयर या टेबल पे बैठे हैं तो आप ऐसा यूज़ कर सकते हैं फ़ोन को. फॉलोड बाय द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज फॉर दिस इज़ मूव योर चिन बिहाइंड, ओके, एंड hold it. So here what I'm doing is I'm moving my neck with the help of the neck muscles. I'm moving my face behind. Okay, so for this you can keep your fingers here and feel, okay, yeah, but do not push it with the help of your fingers. Just keep the fingers there and feel the stretch over the muscles. Okay, and this is an exercise. Repeat it for 10 times minimum and feel the difference. So as of now, we'll limit this and end this here. Do follow these two stretches, one exercise and one tip that I've told you, given you today, and follow it religiously so that you see the benefit and its result. One day is not sufficient for मेकिंग आउट द रिजल्ट्स, बट हाँ, आपको एक हफ्ता कम से कम देना पड़ेगा तो आपको कुछ रिजल्ट्स पता चलेंगे. टाइम कब करना है ये बेस्ट इफ़ यू डू इट इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग, बिकॉज पूरी रात सोने के बाद जब अपनी बॉडी अकड़ जाती है, स्टिफ हो जाती है, अगर आप ये एक्सरसाइजेस और स्ट्रेचेस कर लेंगे आपको काफ़ी रिलैक्स्ड महसूस होगा. So do follow it, and your opinion, your feedbacks are most welcome. Do share it. Thank you.